Hello and welcome to Real Time Forex Trader. We're just waiting for a pullback now, and then we could sell into it. So it's bumping along this floor at 60. We need a good few pips higher to sell into it. No, it's just not pulling back enough yet. So this is a game of cat and mouse. Here we go. Should have probably had that 61.2. We'll probably get offered it again. Well, even at 61.2, you're only going to get one pip out of that. It just needs to pull back up to here, really, 62s. You know, you've got to be careful shorting down at the bottom of the market. It's very easy to get trapped. Right, we'll get one on there. Just remember, you're selling above the trend line now. So we got 62.2. We'll put the take profit on a 61. Right, now let's wait for this. There we go. Look, we're up here at 64s. What we don't want is this to be the bottom of the market and it's just reversing against it. So we'll just wait for this to boil over. We've got two positions on at the bottom of the market. Let's see if we can get this filled. I mean, we might be able to get a bit better than that. 60.6. Let's try for that. It's a realistic target. Right. Just beginning to look like it's turning. But there's not a lot of business going on. It's 11. I suppose everyone in London's thinking about lunch. What I don't want is this to be a new trend pulling off the bottom of the market. I mean, those who bought down here at 60 got out here that would have got 63s. Nice quick scalp. Obviously, buyers down there at 60. Right, where are you going? Here we go. Just forming up below the trend line. This one on it, but looking like it's going to go lower. This one forming up below the trend line. And this looking like it's going to continue and test the 60 level again. What did it actually get down to? Yeah, bang on 60. So we could have probably got, that's, in fact, we'd have easily got 60.6 on that candle. But not a lot more. You know, I don't know whether 60.4 would have got filled. 61.3. So we need to give this a bit of room to run. Sellers still roughly in control, but I don't think there's a lot more sellers down here. So that's about a pip. So So really I'm hoping for 3 pips on that and 2 on that trade. Not a bad little scalp. I mean, if we're lucky, we'll break the 60 level. Could have really done with getting a couple more on there. And then putting the take profits, one at 59, one at 58. Just to see if we can break this 60. It's just hovering a bit high at the minute. And we could just do with a few more sellers in. There we go. 62 offered. Just grinding lower. A couple of pips lower and we'll get filled. Simple as that. And the reason I'm leaving the orders on the order book is because if it just dips down like on a wick and it's there for a fraction of a second, you can never catch it with your mouse trading manually, but the order book should catch it. It's not guaranteed. It all depends on the liquidity down there and how far up the order book you are, because obviously those who put the orders on first get filled first. But pulling back again. But that's part of the risk of trading. That's why you do need to leave a little bit of room. You know, it's not always possible to get out at the bottom of the market. You're better to guarantee to get filled, because you can always get your position back on. Now, 61.6. Yeah, we need a good half pip lower and we'll be filled. I mean, I should have probably taken that 1.5 pips there on that trade. I suppose I'm looking for 2.5. But a guaranteed profit is a guaranteed profit. Bird in the hand. $60.5. Yeah, see, that's more than a pip. You could have got it back on and come out with more than the difference. Anyway, it requires a lot less concentration if you can put the order on the order book and let them fill. And this will play out later in the day, because scalping like this is mentally fatiguing. You know, it requires, if you're going to try and catch it manually, it requires your full concentration 100% of the time. And you've only got so much mental energy every day. Oh, come on. Now it's lifting off the bottom. You see, I should have taken one off there, put it back on there. We could have probably, oh, here we go. Certainly got it back on there. Right, we're down here again. Dropping lower, here we go, filled. That's how you trade. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.